Hi, today we're going to go through some Glogger tips and tricks. So let's just jump in. So first, sorting by the number of tasks. You can actually see which accounts have the most number of tasks by clicking here, and then you'll see those accounts that have the highest number of tasks at the very top. So it's just a different way of looking at your stack of data. Obviously, the current selection here is by distance. So that's sorting by the number of tasks. Now let's pop into Dr. Vaughn's office here. And a lot of people don't utilize the card view. Sometimes it's just an easier way to kind of flip through all the tasks that might be open and see them in a bigger card view. So just an underutilized view there. It's just up to preference on how you want to go through them. Now let's look at adding tasks and updates quickly. By pressing on the plus button here, you'll see that there's a choice to be made. An account update is a quick update. It doesn't really require anything else besides just what's going on. And then a task is your more conventional task that you may know from within using Salesforce.com. So let's just take a quick look at those. Again, an account update is here. If you'd like, you can add a contact. So that's item number 4 here on our list of tricks. So you can go ahead and put a contact in and associate it with that task. But if you're just going to kind of go in and quick put update in, you can use your voice recognition here. Which is also something that takes some getting used to, but a lot of folks really like it. Follow up next week with the fall pricing chart. And you can see that it grabs that information and boom, now you've got that. It's socked away in Salesforce and you're done. So the other thing that you can do on the fly is add a task. And of course with a task, there's a little bit more information that you may want to add in. So this one might be something along the lines of set up a program to teach all the nurses the new tools. Okay, so that's your subject right there. We'll put that in. But then you may want to add in a due date. Out in time, you may want to make this a different priority. All those different things that are available to you as a task are here. And then of course, if you do want to add a contact, you can do that as well. And then of course, you'll save that off, and it is a task that is in your view here. And you can see that here at the bottom. Another little tip here is if you do finish up a task from within this view, you can simply press this little checkbox here, and it will actually complete that task for you right then and there. And then finally, it is very simple to get directions. Within the card view in Glogger, simply click right here, right on the address, and it will bring up an option that says you can copy that. So if you just want to copy that address and put it into a text to somebody, you can do that. Or alternatively, you can open it in Maps, and that'll bring up the Maps application inside of your phone. So those are our tips and tricks to better utilize and get the most out of Glogger.